What up mga solid subscribers? So ngayon guys, manonood tayo ng mga updates sa ating mahaliman, no? Syempre, ito po ay kay Miss O, no? So ito guys, panoorin po natin mga updates, no? Marami po tayong updates yun na makikita, no? So I'm so excited na po talaga. So ito, simulan natin guys, no?
SB19 makes another history as Nickelodeon's favorite Asian Act 2024 winner.
Oh, wow! Sila panalo, no? Wow!
Yes, you heard it right. SB19 makes another history as the first ever P-pop to win Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards for the favorite Asian Act 2024 category.
Woo!
Thank you for voting the Kids' Choice 2020.
This is one for the P-pop and the whole music industry. Congratulations SB19, Nickelodeon's favorite Asian act of 2024. And of course, congratulations to the ever-loyal fandom, 18.
Guys, first of all, congratulations sa SB19, napaka-solid po nun, no? Siyempre, history in the making yan guys, no? Sila po yung ano talaga, Pinoy, syempre Asia, nanalo ng ganyan. Ewan ko lang guys, no? Pero napaka-solid nito na achievement po ng ating mahaliman. Nakaka-proud lang, syempre, from my Nickelodeon, isa po yan sa mga, alam niyo na, mga inaabangan natin talaga way back before guys, no? Kahit ako naman, Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, no? And pangalawa guys, no? Doon po sa kay ate, no? Na sumigaw, no? Umiyak po yung baby, naawa ko. Umiyak yung baby pag sigaw niya. Pero syempre, bakit hindi niya na-contain, no? Nagulat talaga siya, no? Na ma-achieve ng SB19 yan. Pero syempre, alam niyo naman, SB19 talagang ano yan, bumabasag po talaga ng mga kung ano-ano man yun. No? Kaya hindi na ako magtataka kung one day is talagang mangyayari po yung mga bagay na ganyan sa kanila. Na marami pa po sila mga achievements. No? So, hinay-hinay lang tayo. Nakakaawa si baby nagising. Parang gabi pa yata yun, no? Hindi na nalaw. No? So, tara, tingnan po tayo ng mga updates sa kanila, no? Kasi marami pa to, no? Okay, let's go.
SB19 now a big threat to international fandoms after back-to-back win. There is no denying the strength of SB19 and 18 after winning two big international awards, the Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2023 and now Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards Favorite Asian Act of 2024. This has certainly put SB19 on the map and now international fandoms are looking very closely at us. When they hear of SB19, not only they know that the boys are live vocal monsters, the fans are also monster voters. In short, we are now considered as a big threat. You can see that in the latest Billboard Fan Army Face-Off in 2024. We may still be in round 1 and yet the fight is very tight. SB19 is against SZA. July 18, 6 AM and we are falling behind SZA. Now at 4 PM, we are now leading but it is very hard to widen the gap. And that is because the other international fandoms are voting against us. They want to kick us out early in the game by voting for our opponent. Now, this may sound unfair, but this is still within the rules of the game. So, let's play the game that they are playing and vote on our rival's opponent. Now, kilala nyo na kung sino ang mga ito. Go 18, go monster voters!
Grabe, no? Talagang para naging threat na po ang 18 po sa international scene, no? Kasi napaka-solid ng 18, no? So, talagang doon may kita, guys, na iba po talaga yung impact ng 18, iba yung impact ng SB19, syempre, no? Talagang natakot sila eh. Yun yung ano eh. Kumbaga natakot sila. Kasi iba po trabaho talagang 18, no? Isa na po ako sa mga naging witness niya, no? Kung paano trabaho po talagang 18 sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Talagang grabe, all out sila. Kung paano sila talaga trabaho is hindi talaga ganun ka dali yung ginagawa na nagpupuyat sila, di ba? Napakasolid lang, no?
Connect at the Kids' Choice Awards 2024.
Hi everyone, we are SB19.
SB19 ends 12-year drought after winning Nickelodeon's favorite Asian Act 2024. It was 2012 when the Philippines won the Favorite Asian Act in Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards in the person of the Filipina singing sensation, Charisse. And after 12 years, the Philippines wins again as SB19 brings home the Favorite Asian Act 2024.
Yes!
SB19! Thank you so much for voting us as the Favorite Asian Act at Kids' Choice Awards 2024.
It's such an honor to represent the Philippines.
We appreciate all your love and support.
Maraming salamat po.
This is such a big blessing and a big opportunity not only to SB19 but to the whole P-pop community as it introduces P-pop to the whole world. And of course, this is made possible by the support, cooperation, and unity of the fandom. 18 has proven once again to be the most loyal and dedicated fandom, if not the biggest. And also, this is a reward from overcoming all the challenges the Mahalima and the fandom have faced these past few months. So, once again, congratulations SB19, congratulations 18!
Actually, alam nyo naman yung pinaka-nangyari talaga, guys, no? So, tama, saktong-sakto yung sinabi ni Miss O, no? Napakarami pong pinagdaanan ng ating Mahalima, napakarami pong challenges nilang natanggap, kinaharap, no? Kaya, hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit, ano, ganito ka-successful ngayon ng SB19, ganito ka-successful ng 18, no? Kasi tandaan nyo, guys, no? Once po na napunta kayo sa sitwasyon na sobrang hirap, pag napunta kayo sa sitwasyon na sobrang bigat, parang mas doon ka motivate eh. Pero hindi lahat po ng tao gana. Yung iba kasi talaga nagpapalamon eh. Yung iba nga is talaga nagpapalamon is nakakagawa sila ng hindi maganda, guys, no? Alam nyo na kung ano yung mga hindi maganda. Ayoko nang banggitin nyo kasi sobrang hindi talaga maganda, no? And meron mga tao din, guys, na pag nakaramdam sila ng defeat, nakaramdam sila ng negative impact sa ginawa nila, no? Talagang nagpupursige sila, talagang binibigay nila lahat, babawi sila, no? Hindi sila, ay take nila yun as a lesson, no? Kung ano man yun natutunan nila sa bagay na yan, no? And meron nga akong favorite na phrase or favorite na line, no? Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. Ay, hindi, sometimes you win and sometimes you learn pala, no? Mali. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn, no? Kasi wala tayong word na lose. Yung win, okay, sige. Pero yung lose, ano yan eh, isa siya sa mga bagay kung bakit tayo natuto, di ba? Eh, ganyan yung nangyayari po sa ating Mahalima and syempre sa 18, no? Meron sila natutunan sa mga bagay-bagay which is ginamit nila yon, natutunan nila yung mga bagay na yun, and then in-apply nila, and yung mga maling bagay na yun, hindi nila inulot-ulot. And syempre at the same time sa ating Mahalima, no? May mga bagay sila, hindi man masyadong nalaman, pero alam nila sa sarili nila, meron sila mga bagay na hindi magandang nagawa, pero ayun, ginawa nila ng tama, no? Pero syempre yan ang ating Mahalima, professional po sila sa lahat ng bagay, no? Kaya sobrang lahat tayo is humahanga sa kanila, no? And I hope lang, guys, no, na talagang marami pong achievements maabot ng ating Mahalima para tayo mga Pinoy, tayo mga sumusuporta sa kanila, is mas maging proud pa po, no? Mas maging proud tayo sa mga ginagawa nila, mas maging proud tayo sa mga bagay na hindi natin nakakalain na magagawa nila. So yun lang, guys, no? Maraming salamat po sa panonood namin video. So this is Point of signing out. Peace! Let's G!